Hey guys, how's it going? Tracy here. So I just got a really big um, haul from United Monograms, and they're a really cool company that will personalize clothing items. So I've already bought a couple things from them, and they had a big sale going on. So I thought it would be the perfect time to grab a couple things that I've really wanted to try out. So let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is all of the things that I got monogrammed. If you don't know what a monogram is, it's where they take your initials and it's your first name, your last name, and then your middle name. I decided just to do my first and my last name. I feel like when my initials personally get monogrammed, I feel like they kind of just look kind of weird. So I just like my first and my last. But I ended up getting this really cool track suit. So this is a half quarter zip, or I think it's called a half quarter zip. And this really beautiful, like kind of like forest green. I think green looks really pretty on me. And I got mediums in pretty much everything. I feel like that's a little oversized on me, but it still gives me a nice shape. So I ended up getting this, and then it is embroidered, so it's not going to come off or anything, which is really nice. And then they have tapered sleeves, and then it's on the bottom. Super cute. I'm really excited to try that on. And then I ended up the pants. I got a medium. I usually wear, for reference, a size 6 in Old Navy jeans. I tried really hard to figure out the sizing, but I'm hoping that they fit. That's one thing that's kind of iffy, is that if you do get something personalized, you can't, I don't think there's like a return policy where if it doesn't fit, it just doesn't fit type of situation, which is kind of like me. But yeah, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit. They seem super stretchy and they feel comfortable. They do have a drawstring, so yeah. But then I just got TB for my initials, and then they are scrunched at the bottom, so I'm excited for that. That would be really great for right now. I live in Minnesota, and it decided to literally snow all day yesterday. A couple days ago we were like in the 80s, and then we're back in like the 30s, so it's super chilly right now, and this would be a great option. Another thing I ended up getting monogrammed was a really comfy, cozy robe. I used to have a really nice thick robe, but my cat, he likes to chew on soft stuff, so he put a huge hole in it, and I just ended up throwing it away. So I did get the biggest size that they had. So this is the large to X large, but you want it to be kind of comfy. And then I ended up doing gold for the monogram, and this is like, oops, this is like crazy long, and then it comes with a tie. So excited for that. And then let's see, I ended up getting this koozie with the tea on it. I thought this was super cute. This is definitely something I can use during the summer. Taking some drinks, and it's really pretty. It's got like this gold, and one of my favorite colors is green, and I think the pink really kind of pops with it. It's super cute for that. So next thing was a couple of their discounted pieces that they were kind of pushing out. So this one is for Christmas, so it's, you know, it's a little bit out of date, but I thought it was super cute and I wanted to grab it. So I got this where it says, this is my Christmas movie watching shirt. And then it just has like Home Alone, and some of the fun things on there. It's got the Grinch, Elf, and then Christmas Vacation. Everyone I think pretty much knows what Christmas Vacation is. It's one of my favorites. So I ended up getting that. This is in white. I got medium. And for reference, for like my top size, I usually, so like Old Navy, I know like some of their clothes run a little bit like on the bigger side. So for them, I'm usually a small. Sometimes I can get a medium if I don't want it to be, you know, more form-fitting. But most of the time with Old Navy, I get smalls. So that. And then this one I had to get, I'm a huge fan of Barbie. I have a million Barbies from when I was a kid. And I love shopping and I like to spend money. So I ended up getting this. It says, "Get in, losers. We're going shopping." Hilarious. And then she's just in her pink little convertible with her friends. So cute. Love. And then I ended up getting a couple more things. Some of these are like Disney related. But I ended up getting this one. I love the designs on it, and it's one of my favorite holidays is Halloween. I love fall. So when I saw that they had this with like a whole bunch of like different little characters, but it was Halloween theme, I was like, I have to get it. It is adorable. And you could, most of these you could monogram, but I didn't monogram very many of them. This one, I don't think you could have monogrammed. Maybe in the cup you could have, but I can't remember. But it says spooky vibes, and I just think it's adorable. And then I ended up getting this one. This one I know you could have monogrammed. So instead of putting my monogram on there, I put MM for Mickey Mouse. And that one just says Halloween. Cute. And then this one too, I know you could have monogrammed. It was just this Minnie Mouse, and then your initials would have been in here. And then in the back was my favorite. I kind of wish this was in front, but it says best day ever, I think. Yeah. And then you could pick the different colored hair. So I thought that was cute. And then growing up, I always watched Lizzie McGuire, and they had this. And this one says, this is what dreams are made of. And then she's got Mickey Mouse on her shirt and then like little tats. But I thought that was super cute. I got a medium in this one too. And I think all their sizes are, I think most of their sizes are unisex. So if they're unisex, I know I can sometimes go down a size. But they also have kid sizes too. But I thought that one was super cute. She looks hilarious. And it's kind of like nostalgic. So next is a couple of Halloween things. Because like I said, I'm obsessed with Halloween. So I had to get Hocus Pocus. They actually have the real pictures of them. I did not like Hocus Pocus, the second one, where they came out with their merch. They were like, a lot of the merch I saw had like, they were cartoon faces, and I didn't like that. I want them to actually like have, you know, like their realistic faces. So that's the reason why I ended up opting for this, because it's really hard to find shirts with the Hocus Pocus for where it's actual their faces and not like a cartoon drawing. So I got that one. That's a medium as well. And then I thought this one was super cute. It's got some boots, like pumpkin spice, scarf, caramel apple, pumpkin, and it says, "'Tis the most wonderful time of the year." So kind of like the Christmas saying, but with the fall vibes. So I really, really liked that a lot. And then the last two things I ended up getting is probably like a little bit more relevant. I should have showed these first, but this one I did get it in a large because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized, because I probably won't be able to wear this unless it's like dark outside. So this one I got for the 4th of July. So it says America. And then this one I think you could have got monogram too. Yeah. So instead of putting my monogram, I put USA on here. And this one's a large, so this one's gonna be pretty big. But like I said, if I'm gonna wear this like in the summer, it's gonna be more so at night, and I'll probably have like clothes underneath it. So I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized and comfy. So I got that. And then the last thing I got, this one is a medium, and I thought this was hilarious. You have the little beverage cup, and then you have the little hot dog that has the little flag. And this says "Party in the USA." I thought that was a really fun thing for like the 4th of July. One thing I would say, if you're gonna purchase anything like for like a trip or like like weddings and stuff, make sure that you order ahead of time, especially if you're gonna get things monogrammed, because I have noticed this order came pretty quick. I was surprised, but the first two orders that I purchased, I felt like took a long time to come. So just kind of be aware of that if you're wanting it for like an event. Like make sure that you order it like a couple months before it's gonna happen, so you can make sure that you have it on time. What am I trying to say? But yeah, so this is all the stuff I got. Yeah, you know, they're a small business, so it's really great to support. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.